Hello everyone. So I am taking out the oil filter now. You want to make sure your oil pan and stuff is underneath there. Let me get ready to do this. Here we go. Here we go. Pull my tool off, which I will need to clean real quick. How's everybody doing? I'm gonna have to cut this in two parts because I changed the oil and I noticed that the camera stopped filming, so it'll be two parts, people. Two parts. Okay, let's see if I can get this out without making a huge mess. Come on, come on, come on. Ugh. Of course, I make a mess. So what's that mean? It means I gotta clean it up. But this is reality. This is what you gotta do when you change your oil. You gotta be real about it, because sometimes you could do it and you don't make such a mess, and other times you just make a mess. It happens. So what I am doing, make sure you wear old clothes when you do this, okay? So that way that you don't ruin your good stuff. And always make sure that you have some stuff down here to catch the oil, and make sure you get like a piece of cardboard. I have a oil changing cloth underneath the oil pan thing that I'm collecting the oil from. So and I'm just wiping up all of this oil. And I will come back and do some brake cleaner for that. Let's see, can you see that? Ooh. I'm trying to do this where I can show you what I'm doing without making such a huge mess. Without showing you my house. There, does that work? Don't know if that works. There's my hand. There's my hand. Oh geez, it's kind of hard to do this. Okay, hopefully nothing happens and I can do it this way. So what I'm doing is when I pulled that out, it kind of spilled some oil everywhere. So I'm gonna get a fresh cloth now, one that has nothing on it. And you wanna make sure you don't have any debris or anything on your cloth, okay, when you do this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe up there where the filter goes on. And you can put your brake cleaner on there too if you'd like to wipe it that way. But I do regular oil changes, so I know it's pretty good. So there we go. Got that all cleaned off. Hopefully you can see it. If not, hopefully you get the idea of what I'm doing.